Welcome to English Elevate. Here, you won't just learn English, you'll transform your life. My mission isn't just to teach you a language, it's to make you successful in every area of life. Everyone watching this right now, hear me. You deserve unlimited success, wealth, love, happiness, everything you truly desire. You can achieve anything you want if you first decide it in your mind. Because your mind is everything. In this video, I'll show you how to turn any situation around. No matter how tough life feels, no matter how many times you've been knocked down, you will rise. You are powerful. You are unstoppable. And by the end of this video, you will believe it. This is not just another motivational talk. This is a wake-up call. Art 1, the game of life. Listen carefully. If you feel lost, hopeless, or ready to give up, stop. Take a deep breath. Sit down and ask yourself, what is the best thing I can do right now? This moment, right now, is the most important moment of your life. Everyone has problems. Even the people who are successful today once had no money, no support, no certainty. They had fear, they had doubts, just like you, but they kept playing the game. Yes, life is a game, and in this game, you can go anywhere. Your knowledge, your mindset, your skills, these are your weapons. But you must play this game every single day. Rule number 1, stop comparing yourself. The worst thing you can do is measure your life against someone else's. You are not competing with anyone. The only person you need to beat is the person you were yesterday. Stop saying, they are lucky, they have rich parents, they have connections. No, they just played their game. They focused on themselves, not on others. Look in the mirror and say, I am my own competition. I will not compare. I will not complain. I will only improve myself. Because the moment you stop comparing, you take control of your life. Be bad in the right way. Now listen closely. This may sound strange. You have to be bad. Not bad as in breaking the law or doing harm, but bad in the eyes of people who want to limit you. Your parents, your teachers, society, they all taught you to play safe, to stay nice, to follow the rules. But if you want something big, you must break the rules of average thinking. You must stop living by what others expect of you. When you chase your dreams, people will call you crazy. They will say, don't do this. What if you fail? What will people say? Let them talk. They don't know your dreams. They don't know. Even your parents cannot always see what's right for you. Because their experiences are not your experiences. You are not here to live an average life. Parties, celebrations, they can wait. Success will not wait. Your dreams will not wait. Your destiny will not wait. So break the rules, not the law, not your values, but society's expectations. If they say get a normal job, but you want to build a business, build it. If they say get married now, but you want to chase your dreams, chase them. If they say it's impossible, prove them wrong. A snake without poison is just a toy. No one respects it. Don't live like a harmless toy. Be someone people respect, admire, and follow. Not because you are dangerous, but because you are powerful. Powerful in mind, powerful in decisions, powerful in action. People will always talk, whether you succeed or fail. What matters is your intention. Do you truly want success? Do you want to prove to yourself that you want to live life on your own terms? Then stop waiting, stop doubting, stop hesitating. You have one life, one chance, one opportunity. Don't waste it by living for others. Part 2. In the eyes of others. If you want to achieve something extraordinary, people will doubt you. They will laugh at you. They will insult you. They will say, this is impossible. They will look at you and say, you are a failure. But history proves this. Every great person has been called a failure first. Take Steve Jobs. Today, everyone respects him. Apple is one of the biggest companies in the world. But when he dropped out of college, people laughed. They said, he has ruined his life. Even his teachers doubted him. But he didn't stop. He didn't cry. He didn't beg for approval. He worked. He created. He proved them wrong. And now the world knows his name. The same story is true for Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Cristiano Ronaldo. At some point, they were all called failures, and now the whole world follows them. One day, the world will follow you too. Pain is temporary. Listen, my friend, whatever you are going through right now is not permanent. Your struggles, your pain, your tears, this is just a phase. This is just a test. Night does not last forever. Storms always pass. Wounds eventually heal. The real question is, will you hold on long enough to see the sunrise? Most people quit too early. They feel pain and they stop. They fail once and they stop. People laugh at them and they stop. But winners, they don't stop. They turn pain into power. They turn failure into fuel. They turn suffering into success. Life gives you two choices: cry and complain about your problems. Work so hard that your problems disappear. Which one will you choose? Be a leader. If you want success, you must lead. Leaders don't wait. They don't wait for permission. They don't wait for someone to tell them what to do. They create their own path. They take risks. They move forward, even when no one believes in them. Stop following the crowd. If you do what everyone else is doing, you will end up where everyone else is. Nowhere special. Every great person in history was different. They refused to blend in. They were leaders. And now it's your turn. Your reason is your fuel. Ask yourself, why do I want success? To earn money? To give your parents a better life? To buy your dream house? Your dream car? Your dream clothes? Whatever your reason is, hold on to it. Because that reason will be your fuel. When you feel tired, remember it. When you feel like quitting, remember it. When the world tells you to stop, remember it. Your dreams are bigger than your problems. Your future is more important than your fears. Today you may be broke. Today nobody may respect you. So what? This is not your final destination. Your bank balance today does not decide your bank balance tomorrow. The way people treat you today does not decide how they will treat you tomorrow. You have the power to change everything. If people laugh at you, good. Let them laugh. Because one day, they will regret it. One day, they will see you driving the car of your dreams. One day, they will see you living in a house bigger than theirs. One day, they will see you living a life they can only dream about. And on that day, they will fall silent. But that day will only come if you do not give up now. Forget what people say. How many times have you stopped yourself because of what people will say? What if they laugh? What if they talk behind my back? What if they don't support me? Forget them. They don't decide your future. Their opinions are based on their own fears, their own limits. But their limits are not your limits. If they say, this won't work, prove them wrong. If they say, you are wasting time, prove them wrong. If they say, you are not good enough, prove them wrong. Your success will be your answer. One day, the same people who doubted you will say, I always knew you could do it. Let them talk today, but make sure tomorrow they are silent. Part 3. Become unstoppable. Most people stay stuck because they keep asking, what if I fail? And that fear keeps them frozen in place. But successful people, they chase challenges. They take the hardest path. They choose the most difficult goals. They step out of their comfort zone because they know challenges create winners. If something is difficult, it means it's worth doing. So from today, stop running away from what's hard. If it scares you, do it. If it feels impossible, do it. If it pushes you, do it. Because every time you face a challenge, you level up. Every time you do something difficult, you become stronger. Win the morning, win the day. Let me share a secret. Every successful person has one habit in common. They wake up early. Before the world wakes up, they are already working. Before the world starts complaining, they are already building. When you wake up early, you control your day. You have time to think, time to plan, time to work on yourself. But if you wake up late, you lose control. The world controls you. Your phone controls you. People start calling, texting, distracting you. So from today, wake up before the world wakes up. Win the morning, and you will win the day. Mind your own business. Most people fail because they focus on everything except themselves. They gossip. They worry about what others are doing. They waste time scrolling through other people's lives. Listen carefully. Your life is your business. What others are doing doesn't matter. If someone is rich, let them be rich. If someone is traveling, let them travel. If someone is dating, let them date. Focus on yourself. Every second you spend watching others is a second stolen from your own success. Work in silence. Let your results make the noise. Master one skill. 4 to 5 hours of deep, focused work on one skill every day can change your life. Most people are busy all day but achieve nothing because they do shallow work. They get distracted. They check their phones every 5 minutes. They multitask but master nothing. But in today's world, the person who masters one skill rules the world. So choose one skill. Focus on it deeply. Work without distraction. Give it everything you have. Build a strong body. Most people fail because they have no energy. They are always tired. They ignore their health. But successful people train their bodies. You don't need to spend 3 hours in the gym. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day will change your life. Do push-ups, do squats, run, lift weights. A strong body gives you confidence. A strong body gives you energy. A strong body makes you unstoppable. Your body is your first home. Keep it strong. Move in silence. Another reason most people fail, they tell everyone their plans. They post about their goals. They share their dreams. And then the world starts doubting them, criticizing them, discouraging them. Slowly, they lose confidence. But real winners move in silence. They work in the dark. They grow in secret. And when the time comes, they shock the world. So from today, keep your goals private. Show results, not plans. Think like a boss. Have you ever noticed that schools teach you how to get a job, but never how to become a boss? Society wants you to follow orders. They want you to stay small, but you don't have to live like everyone else. You can start your own business. You can create your own brand. You can build your own empire. Stop thinking like an employee. Start thinking like a boss. Because if you keep following orders, you will never be free. But if you start making your own decisions, you will control your life. Defeat fear. Fear is the killer of dreams. People don't start businesses because they're scared. People don't chase their dreams because they're scared. People don't take risks because they're scared. And that is why they stay stuck forever. But fear is just an illusion. It is just a story your mind tells you. The only way to beat fear is to face it. If you are scared to speak, start speaking. If you are scared to take risks, start taking risks. If you are scared to be different, start being different. Because at the end of the day, nobody is coming to save you. Nobody will hold your hand. Nobody will do the work for you. You have to save yourself. You have to push yourself. You have to build yourself. Control your mind, control your life. Final part. This is it. The last part. The most important part. Listen carefully. If you truly want to change your life, if you are serious about success, if you are tired of feeling stuck, this is your wake-up call. Do you know why some people become great? It's not because they are special. It's not because they are lucky. It's not because they are rich. They become great because they refuse to quit. When life hits them, they keep going. When people insult them, they keep going. When they fail, they keep going. When nobody believes in them, they keep going. Because they know one truth. Success is a test of patience. The world will try to break you. The world will try to stop you. But if you refuse to quit, nothing can stop you. Most people waste their lives waiting for the perfect moment, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone to save them. But nobody is coming. Not your friends, not your family, not your boss. It's all on you. If you don't fight for your dreams, if you don't take control of your life, nothing will ever change. Stop waiting. Start moving. Start building your future now. Most people live like they have unlimited time. They wake up late. They scroll for hours. They gossip. They complain. and then they wonder why their life isn't changing, because they are wasting the most valuable thing they have: time. One wasted day becomes one wasted week. One wasted week becomes one wasted month. One wasted month becomes one wasted year. And then one day, your whole life is gone. So from today, treat every day like it's your last. Every second is precious. Every moment is an opportunity. Don't waste it. Build your future. Do you want to be respected? Do you want to be heard? Do you want people to look at you and say, "Wow, this person is powerful"? Then stop being average. Average people complain. Average people blame others. Average people make excuses. But winners take full control. They never complain. They never blame. They never wait. They take responsibility for everything. If they are poor, they work harder. If they are failing, they learn. If nobody believes in them, they believe in themselves. And because of that, people notice them. They become powerful. They become Sue. They become unstoppable. Be that person. Your biggest enemy is not failure. Your biggest enemy is laziness. Laziness kills dreams. Laziness keeps you stuck forever. If you keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it later. I don't feel like working today," then you will never succeed, because success doesn't wait. You must force yourself to get up, push yourself to work, do what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. That is discipline. Doing the work when you are tired, doing the work when you are not motivated, doing the work when nobody is watching, because nobody cares about your excuses. The world only cares about results. And yes, you will fail. You will make mistakes. You will fall down. But that's okay. Failure is not the end. Failure is just a lesson. Get back up, try again, learn, grow. Because every time you fail, you get one step closer to success. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your love. No more complaining. No more excuses. No more waiting. It's time to take action. It's time to fight for your dreams. It's time to become the person you were born to be. I don't care if you are poor. I don't care if nobody believes in you. I don't care if life is hard, because you have everything you need inside you. You are stronger than you think, smarter than you think, more powerful than you think. So go prove it. Whenever you feel tired, remember this message. Whenever you feel like quitting, come back to these words. Whenever you feel lost, listen to this again. I am with you. I believe in you. Now go, make your dreams happen, and never stop until you win.